A portable air pump by Winair. A must-have if you own a vehicle. A super fast inflation capacity that inflates up to 150 psi. Inside the box you will get brief instructions to follow. USB Type-C charge cable. Different types of adapters to inflate bikes and footballs. Travel storage pouch. Finally, the sleek designed inflatable pump. Charge and battery indicator. Control panel. USB-C charge slot. 2 LED lights. This slot is where you screw the nozzle, and that's where the nozzle wire is stored. Has that grip feature so you don't lose it. Simply take out the nozzle and screw it in. To turn on, hold down on the power button. Press M for different modes. Increase or decrease your desired pressure. To turn on the LED lights, hold down on the U button. Also, you can check the different unit readings too. Let's test this out. Always check your tyre pressure levels, which for this tyre it's 33 psi. Now we have a reading of 31. Let's pump some air into it. I'm quite impressed it's actually quicker than my previous portable air pump. Obviously it's due to the bigger size and battery. Pumping up a football wouldn't take long. Attach the right adapter. I'll just change the mode to ball. I won't put any specific PSI level. As you know yourself, once the ball is pumped up. Overall guys, I'm impressed with the Winair pump. A robust device that pumps up your flat tyres quicker, and a must have in every vehicle or for outdoor activities. Catch you in the next one guys, peace.